Hey everybody, this is Isaac again, and we're going to do an experiment about balloons. As you can see, if you talk about this beautiful harmony between balloon and the skewer, well, you're hardly to think about, you're going to think about not about harmony, but about the relationship, like these enemies. It does not fit together, but I'm going to show you how you're not able to pop this without how you are going to pass through this without popping it. I've already drawn this black dot here in order to show which part is most stressed. If you know which part is the most stressed, you can easily choose the part where it's not most stressed. It's not stressed. So let's do this. As you can see here, it didn't change even a bit, but this part is almost being invisible, as you can see here, and this part is not even stretched at all. Let's do some. It's even disappearing. Like there seems to be no dot here. Okay. So if you choose to pass through this most stressed part, then it's easy that the polymers are going to let go of each other. So it's like try to choose this part where the surface is most unstretched, and also this part, so you can skewer like this and show it to anybody. Doing this, you can see that using most unstretched part, you can easily not pop the balloon and just pass through it without popping it. But in this case, I'm going to tell you how to pass through the most stressed part without popping it. Let's do this. It's actually because of the hole was really big, because there's lots of holes in here. So let's do this again. Using this tape, you can almost make it invisible. Doing this makes it almost invisible. You can see this because the light is being reflected, but it's almost invisible using them. And maybe you can use a black one in order not to show them. But anyway, there's this most stretched part, and we're going to use 4 tapes. You see, I'm making this square, a little square here, in order to make this pass through. And while it's passing, it's not going to pop because the tape is keeping them safe, not being popped. So it's like almost not being popped. Let's see here. If you are able to see well, you're going to see that there's a square here, and the opposite side we're going to do it here. Yeah, this part. Like I said, the reason why I wasn't able to do that in the previous one was because the hole inside here was too big that it won't fit quite well to the, and that's about it. Yeah, I've also made a square here. Okay, so I'm going to use this needle because this one was too thick, like I said. So we're going to do this again. If this succeeds, then this is going to succeed. But if it fails, you can just make a hole in where there's a tape here. I think that's much easier. Maybe let's try this one. Okay, no holes here. Well, this was too short, maybe. I'm going to do a new one, but make sure that just make sure that you're using a big one, because I stretch it too much. New balloon here, and make sure that you match with the length well. Maybe I can just do like this, using the almost unstretched part, like this, Okay, I'm going to make a hole here. Let's see if it works. I'm just going to use this one. Maybe it's too thick that you won't pass through. Wait a sec. I think I won't be able to do this. Oh! I succeeded, but it's not like what I wanted. So, maybe I think the problem was because of the polymer, and maybe this was too thick too. I mean, when I saw others doing this stuff, I see that they were using different balloons, like special balloons and bigger balloons here. I made a really small hole, maybe because I was too scared to do that because I've already popped 2-1, as you can see, and because of the fear, I wasn't able to do that. But you can challenge yourself by using maybe a bigger one, yeah, and let's just let it pop itself. The other experiment I'm going to do is about the relationship, the beautiful harmony between. So we did an experiment about balloons now popping, although this is about to pop, and this one, which is already popped. But like I said, I believe you're going to be able to do this well. And please subscribe to the video. I'm going to I might think of a relationship between balloons and other things, and yeah, other chapter. And see you later. Please subscribe to the video before it pops. Bye.